Looking for an electric car that won't empty your wallet but still turns heads? The 2025 MG4 EV might just be the answer. This is a compact hatchback that brings solid range, sharp styling, and a surprisingly fun driving experience, all at a price that makes bigger brands nervous. First impressions? The MG4 makes a statement. Forget bland budget EV styling. This thing has sharp lines, bold proportions, and a split-roof spoiler that gives it serious attitude. It looks far more expensive than it is, and in a world of anonymous-looking electric hatchbacks, that's a refreshing change. Powertrain options are solid across the board. The base SE trim with a 51 kilowatt-hour battery offers 218 miles of range, which is more than enough for daily commuting. Step up to the long-range version, and you'll get 281 miles, while the Trophy Extended Range stretches that to a very impressive 323 miles. But the real head-turner is the MG4 XPower. Dual motors, 435 horsepower, and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.8 seconds. It's a full-blown hot hatch, only electric. Sure, the range dips to 239 miles, but that's the trade-off for this kind of performance. And at this price point, there's nothing else like it. Step inside, and while the interior isn't flashy, it's thoughtfully put together. The layout is clean, the materials feel solid, and there's good space for adults in both rows. 6-footers won't struggle in the back, and the 363-liter trunk handles day-to-day duties just fine. No drama, just smart packaging. Front and center is a 10.25-inch infotainment screen. MG's native interface is a bit rough around the edges, but with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can bypass most of its quirks and use the apps you already know and love. But here's where the MG4 really surprises: on the road. For a car at this price, the ride quality is exceptional. It absorbs bumps with confidence, and the light steering makes city driving effortless. Push it on a twisty road, and the MG4 holds its own surprisingly well. There's very little body roll, the chassis feels planted, and the handling is far more engaging than you'd expect from an affordable family EV. Charging speeds are competitive too. The long-range version supports 135 kilowatts fast charging, meaning you can go from 10 to 80% in around 35 minutes. Perfect timing for a quick stop and a coffee. The best part? The value. The MG4 undercuts most rivals by thousands of dollars while delivering comparable, if not better, range and equipment. Add MG's 7-year warranty, and you've got an affordable EV with real peace of mind. Now, it's not perfect. Rear visibility isn't great. Wind noise becomes noticeable at higher speeds, and the infotainment system could use some polish. But when you weigh the strengths, range, driving feel, performance, and price, those small compromises are easy to overlook. The 2025 MG4 proves that the electric future doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. It's not just affordable, it's genuinely good. Whether you're looking for a practical commuter or a hot hatch with EV torque, the MG4 delivers more than expected, and that's what makes it such a standout. So what do you think? Would you go for the range-focused long range or the tire-shredding XPower? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric car reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.